This is the dog. It attaches to the yarn guide on the CSM. The dog is used to trip the counter on each revolution. Use 2 cable ties to attach the dog to the yarn guide. On one side of the dog there's a small bar to help locate the dog onto the yarn guide. The cable ties, there's one side of the head that sticks out a little away from the body. We want that to face like this. We're going to put this into the dog with the head facing to the right. I'll show you on the actual yarn guide in a moment. For now, let this represent the yarn guide. We want to put the dog on so that this small bar is to the right of the yarn guide. When we wrap cable ties around, we'll put them through and then cinch them up. Now to actually attach the dog to the CSM yarn guide. Position the 2 cable ties as I just showed you. Place the dog against the yarn guide like this. Wrap the cable ties around. Insert them in their lock. Cinch them up loosely. We want to set the height of the dog, preset it. Use a small gauge. I'll try to remember to include one. Or use about 1 5/8" or 4.2 centimeters going from the work surface, the mounting surface of your sock machine, up to the bottom of the dog. That's a little bit higher than what we'll actually need, but that'll give us a start. Now don't cut the cable ties yet. We'll do that when we're done. We'll fine tune the height of the dog after the row counter stand has been mounted. It'll be going in this area here. And you can also mount this stand back around further. That location won't be too important, just so that you got enough room. That way, some of you is using a round stool, wooden top on it. I think there's probably still enough room to mount it. I mount mine here.